You have to see how to ensure high number of incoming leads predictably. This is a big challenge that most of you completely forget to look at. What are you going to do that a lot of incoming leads are coming predictably, regularly approaching you? Okay, this is a problem Amish has solved. For example, anybody who crosses, gets to that 2 lakh point, have solved this problem. And there are no one answer for this, how you can do it. Maybe you can run a phenomenally good blog. Maybe you are organizing events. Maybe you are networking with people one-on-one, going and meeting people, right? Many ways to do it. There is no one way. But you need to build a system that there's a high number of incoming leads coming predictably. How to ensure that you convert a large number of your incoming leads? You have to ensure higher levels of client satisfaction. How are you going to ensure that your clients are satisfied? Do you even check if your clients are satisfied or they are abusing you behind your back, right? So how do you know? Okay, are your clients writing testimonials for you on your LinkedIn? Are they leaving a good review on your Google account, whatever, right? It's very important. How to identify new revenue streams with existing clients, because your existing clients have other problems. Do you know what their problems are? Do you speak to them often enough to figure out what those problems are? Do they trust you enough to give you that work? You have to figure out what to delegate and what not to delegate, because you are not going to do all of it on your own. So you have to have a delegation plan. Who are you going to delegate it to? What kind of people are you going to hire that they can do? And there is some things that are so core to your practice that you will not delegate that you will continue to do yourself. Do you know what are you going to delegate and what are you not going to delegate? Most of you know the answers to this question. If you sit down and start working on it, you will have a lot of ideas. You'll know exactly what to do in next 1 hour, 2 hours, right? Delivery will get tricky when you start spending time on how am I going to get more work. Just that doing it consistently will result in you being able to increase the volume of your work. And then delivery will get tricky. So you have to be prepared for it. How are you going to deliver? If you spend your entire time doing the work, you cannot find time for anything else, including business development. Most of you are stuck because you are trying to you are so busy with delivery of whatever little work you have that you have no time to do business development. You have no time to grow your practice, right? It is hard to get to 2 lakh per month or cross that barrier if you are entirely occupied with every small delivery issue, right? You need to automate and you need to delegate. You need to watch quality also at the same time, right? If you delegate it and then the quality falls, it is your brand name at stake. You have to ensure that your clients are still getting served well and getting the results that they need, right? You have to create a machinery that delivers with limited involvement from you. You are going to be involved, but limited. You are still going to be able to deliver, and you need to build a machinery for this, right? You have to also figure out how to make sure your clients actually pay you by building robust recovery systems. You need to have a recovery system in place that will ensure that you are actually getting the money that you have built. Most of law firms, the recovery rate, law firms I'm talking about, not individual practice, but it will be worse sometimes for individual practitioners. You recover only 30% of the bills you generate in the same month. So if you need to make 2 lakhs, it is highly possible that you have to bill 6 lakhs, then you will get 2 lakhs in that month. Maybe some of that 6 lakhs will get carried over in other months and you will get some of it next month. But most of the time, you get, this is a thumb rule that I have seen in most of the law practices, especially in law firms, that they recover only 30% of what they bill at the moment, right? And you need to have a robust follow-up system. You cannot be calling and shouting at them and threatening at them. You need to have a gentle recovery system. If you are, it's like the baby who cries the loudest gets the milk first. This is a situation with all businesses. You need to have a recovery system which is repeatedly reminding them, also not being indecent or very threatening or anything, but reminding regularly. Simply that itself will improve your recovery. But most people have no system like that in place.